Hey guys, it's Steph from Steph's Adventures and Fab Finds, and we have an unboxing to do. Today, I have my cup of coffee. It's the Good Morning Beautiful cup today. It is freezing outside. Okay, so this box is from Louis Vuitton. And it is a Bandeau. It is from the rabbit collection, or it's one of the rabbits. And beautiful Louis Vuitton packaging. And that's our gift card inside there, and all our goodie information, which is your receipt and all of that kind of good stuff. Oh, how pretty. How pretty. New Louis Vuitton packaging, guys. Oh, how pretty. New bows. New bows. Okay. And here we go. They have a really pretty rabbit scarf and a hat. But I thought that this would be just perfect with my brown canvas handbags that have a red cherry interior. And I wanted something of the rabbit release. And so this turned out to just be a beautiful piece. And it has a Louis Vuitton tag on it here, so you can see that. And you can get that off. And there's the rabbit. On that side, and on this side, of course, it's just the canvas. And you have a little cherry red at the bottom down there, florets. So that's our first piece. Let's move on to the second piece that we're unboxing today. And the second piece, let me tell you about it. And I'm hoping that that's what it is. We'll have to take a look and see first. I did order from 24s.com for a Fendi keychain, not thinking about that ordering it from 24s.com and it coming from Paris, that I was going to end up having to pay a $25 import fee charge for it being fur. And I could have easily have purchased it from Fendi USA. I'm thinking. I'm not quite sure, because that's kind of a iffy thing there. I'm not sure if I would still. I don't know. But I'll let you know. And we'll see what this goodie ends up being. I got several things ordered, but I'm assuming that that's what this is. And if so, I'm probably chopping the box up again. can never get these kind of boxes right. They're a good box, I tell you, because you sure can't get in them. Okay. Okay, this is 24S. So I'm thinking it is the keychain. And if so, on the next video, I'm going to try to show you, or here in the next few videos that I can get in, you know, with the holidays, everything goes crazy. 24s.com. Very nice packaging. It definitely give you the luxury experience. I don't work for them. I love them. I love 24s.com. I really do. And I've got another piece from 24s.com coming that I'm really excited about. We've got our return receipt and all that stuff in the bottom there. Okay. And this is the next piece. Okay, for the return. And you'll notice that this is the Louis. This is the Louis. Oh no. No. I thought this was the keychain. Oh no. This is Louis. Say hello to my little friend. Okay, the story about this piece. Then, and it'll say, it says from Paris with love, because it's from Paris. This is probably made in Paris. Okay. Oh my goodness. I thought it was the keychain. Which I'm still looking for that, goodness. But, no. Oh goodness. Oh my. Let me have some coffee on this one. Yay. Okay. And, which is good because I don't have my pocketbook of the day outside with me, but it's my baby Alma. So this is going to be, oh yes. I'm so glad. Y'all, I stole this bag. When you go online and you look at the current price of this bag, you're gonna, I'm gonna put all that in the description below and everything, as it's freezing and really don't have time to explain all that. But, yes, oh my God. They're going to come arrest me because I stole this bag. Alright. Honey, she's everything I thought she would be and more. From what I can see, she just shines like new money. Yes, ma'am. Oh my goodness. She just shines like new money. And just beautiful. Just beautiful, y'all. Say hello to my little friend. And we've got a little thing on the back there of our beautiful little dust bag. We'll take a look at that in just a minute. Gosh, y'all, I'm so excited. Oh my God, I did not expect this in today. I really didn't. I didn't expect this today. I don't know why I didn't expect this today, but I didn't expect this today. And, oh, there's my strap. There's my adjustable strap. This is adjustable. Yes, look how it adjusts in and out and out and in. It is adjustable. Okay, with all kind of cute little Louis Vuitton printed buttons. There. Louis Vuitton printed there on the little clipper. I call them my little clippers. Oh, y'all. Okay, this bag was on my wish list. And, you know, baby Alma was in the Epi Leather was on my list. And when I saw this was the pochette I picked to be on my list. And because I've had a canvas pochette before, and so this is the one that I chose to be on my list. And it's just perfect, y'all. This is just, it's perfect. And I'm really sorry I was not set up or prepared to do this. I really thought that it was going to be my keychain. I ordered a Fendi fur keychain, and I think get these to stay down here, but so I will probably be wearing this for the next few days, and we'll do a few shots. It has a D-ring. It has a flap here that's imprinted Louis Vuitton, made in France. It has a it comes with everything, because this one was just discontinued just maybe a week or two ago, if that long. And that's what 24s.com does, is see there's absolutely nothing on the inside except for black microfiber. 24s.com sells recently discontinued items that are brand new from Louis Vuitton, and that means if you keep your eye out, you can snap up some really great bags that particular model has been discontinued. They may sell a similar model or a updated model on Louis Vuitton, but these pieces, and it was such a great deal. Y'all, I got this for about $1,000. And it may end up being a little bit less than $1,000. It comes with a beautiful little chain. Oh, y'all, I'm so sad. I saved about $600-700 on this bag at least. And it's just perfect. It's everything that I want. It is a perfect little casino bag. It comes with this beautiful little chain with the little hooks. And I hope you guys can see this. I know the lighting is bad. And if you're even still recording, oh Lord, please. Okay, good deal. Okay. So let me see if I can get it. To shine in the light for you. And I'm sorry about the bad lighting. I'm sorry about the whole deal. But I'm not sorry, but sorry, you know. I really would like to do a better job of showing the reveal for you in the review. But it is what it is, you know, guys. I'm sorry. I try to do the unboxing when things come in, and honest to goodness, I thought this was going to be See that pop on that chain? I mean, oh my God. I will sit out here and freeze with y'all all night long to look at this bag. I surely to God will. And love every minute of it. Oh, y'all, this is just so pretty. And it has a leather pull. Leather zip pull. My zipper's good. Oh, it is just a beautiful bag. It is a really pretty piece. It is gorgeous. And it is big enough on the inside to put a cell phone and some other items. You know, it's not a real, since it's a big open space in there, to be a little bag, it holds a lot of it holds a lot of items and stuff, but for a little bag. That's another reason that I chose it is my pochette, because you kind of have to be careful. The fleece, these are really difficult. But this one, because it's a little bit wider at the bottom here, it does a good job. If you want to know what the little D-ring is here on the front of the bag, that's actually to put a key charm or keychain on. And most people don't know that. They want to know what that's for. But here again, let's see, we can carry it. And I will do a later review on my heavy leathers. You know, once I tried them and see how I like them. But I can tell you from having epi leather before that I really do like it. So that's shoulder way. And this is crossbody, in which I'll work on the strap and figure that out a little better about how to adjust that along the way, and maybe give you a little information about that, because that I'm not sure about. And wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. Please click like and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that whenever I get a box in, that you can join me for the unboxing, and chit chat with me in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this piece. If you have one, or if you're thinking about one, or if you just like this one, let me know. I hope that peace and love finds you, and that you have all you ever dreamed of. Thank you so much for stopping by. And that's the close-up ticket. Like I said, keep your eye on 24S to get these good deals. You can use first 10. I don't get paid for that, but that's a coupon code you can get to get 10% off, and that's just sharing the love. And I'll see you guys in a day or two on the next unboxing. Love y'all.